What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Today, we got some packages that have been sitting around that we need to open up. So I figured, we could do our thing real quick. Before we get started, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay notified with everything I'm doing. I really appreciate the views. I appreciate the new subscribers. The new goal, I said we were going to go 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, 400, blah, 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 and so on, and just keep doubling up. But really, at the end of the day, we're really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So I need you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so I can get to 1,000 subscribers so at some point they can monetize me. And I need that. And if you'd like, or if you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. You know what I mean? I need that. We got some boxes to unbox, you know what I'm saying? I'm kind of disappointed, though. Because I thought, last week, I thought that we were past this. And, obviously, we're not. You know what I'm saying? They're back with that Just Do It tape. Why? I don't get it. Guys. Like, it's Christmas time and they're like, you know what? Go ahead, put that Just Do It tape back on. Now, I don't know if it's a shipping thing and it's easier for them to be like, no, that's a Nike box. It has Nike tape on it and that's why they do it. But I don't, if that was the reason, that'd be the only reason that would make any type of sense. And I'm like, it just makes it so people want to come and steal your stuff, right? First package. I'm gonna make sure I'm not showing my address. First package, I just cut open. Sweats, man. Some all red Nike sweats. These are on sale. I think I got them 20% off. Got them for like 35 bucks. So that's the first one. Let's open up the second package right here. Like I said, they got that Just Do It tape. It's kind of annoying, but kind of is what it is. It's always been like that. So I just thought we were past it when I did unbox the Jordan Mids. They ain't had no Just Do It tape on it. Second package is I got the jacket to match. You know what I'm saying? It's a zip up. I thought about getting the pullover hoodie. I wear a lot of hoodies, but I think I'm gonna wear this like a Santa, for Christmas. I'll be like Black Santa or something. Or something, I don't know, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. I might even throw them bread mids on and make that be like my Christmas outfit. All right, let's get into the main event. So we got the whole little sweat outfit, but this video really was about this box right here. You know what I'm saying? Go hit that like button, man. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. I need the subscribers. We're trying to get to 1,000. I've said it once. I'm going to keep saying it until we get there. I think we're at 102 or 103. I appreciate you guys. All right. You guys. I don't know if I'm excited yet about this. This was kind of an impulse buy. And if you tuned in to one of my last videos, you would have seen me get these live on my live cop. It was my first W. So I might keep this. I might keep this shoe because this is my first live cop W, right? We got the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red, size 10. You see the tag. You guys know the vibes. You got the Flight with the Jordan right there. Show you the other side of the box. I know people like to see the box. We're gonna open it. We're gonna open it nice and slow. We're gonna take our time. We got 3 minutes, so we got a little time. inside of the top of the box. You got that cement, kind of like paper. So if yours ain't like that, you see that cement kind of like texture, a little splackle on it, then yours is fake. All right. Oh man. And it comes with this another type of white paper. Kind of got them all tucked in and nice. So let me show you. I'm gonna pull it out though. I'm gonna pull it out. Let me get my inspection on. Now I've watched a couple videos. I ain't gonna lie. So I've gotten mixed reviews. Some people love them, and some people are like, they're all right, they're cool. I'm gonna give you my first take on these. Is that a little stain on it? I'll show you guys in a second. So that Fire Red 4, man, I think I liked it. I'll be honest with you. The leather's not bad. It's not super duper hard. Here, let me set this box down to the side. The leather's not bad. The leather's not super duper hard. I don't really see. I was looking at the homie Davy's video, right? Davy McFly. Go follow him on YouTube. He's in YouTube jail. Free Davy. But on Davy's shoe, it was all wrinkled right here. It looked bad. It looked bad. Mine did not come that way. Thank the Almighty. But check him out. So we got that Nike Air in red on the back. Most OG sneakerheads like stuff like that. On the bottom, you got that gray, that white, and that red with Nike in red with the check. The heel, you got the black coming around. This is a clean shoe, man. Looking at it, I'm kind of happy I got a 10 and not a 10.5. I was a little weary of getting a size 10 and 4s just because I have really wide feet, but I like the way it looks. The tongue's kind of tucked. I can't really tell. The tongue looks good. If you look at the tongue, that red doesn't come up above the leather. You see what I'm saying? Anyways, this is a clean shoe. Let me grab the other one. I said there was a stain on here. I seen a stain. Okay, but that's it. You know what I'm saying? That's the only thing I see, really. I'll grab this other one. Alright, so here's the other shoe. This is the left shoe. That was the right. The leather actually, I don't know. On my shoe, the leather seems kind of soft. Maybe I should take the shoe tree out real quick. Shoe tree out. Nah, it ain't as soft as I thought it was gonna be. But it's not hard. Look. It's not hard. Just going around it real quick. You got the flat Nike Air tag. I don't know if this is original. When the original came out, this is how they have it. It's cool. I don't even see myself wearing this shoe anytime soon. I have way too many shoes that I haven't worn that are this colorway. I think this is a keeper though, for sure. This is for sure a keeper. I'm happy I got my hands on these. I'm pretty sure they're all sold out now. But yeah, I'm happy I got my hands on these. These are gonna be one that people slept on and they wish they didn't sleep on. You know what I'm saying? But this is just a quick video, man. Like I said, I had the two little, the little sweat outfit, you guys. Sweat outfit, the jacket, and the pants. The Fire Reds. Boom. You guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with your boy. We on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Help me get there. I need your guys' help. I can't do it by myself. I need your guys' help. Share this, like it, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm late with the review, but you know, at the end of the day, my reviews are still dope. The tongue kind of leans to the left. I don't know what that is about. I'm sure maybe once when I put this on foot and I loosen up the laces and stuff, it'll probably become more even like that. But it kind of leans to the left. Other than that, man, this is a clean sneaker, man. You guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with your boy. I appreciate you. It's your boy, Bert Collins. Peace.